Please welcome Steve Young, the Co-Chief Executive Officer for WuXi AppTec.
Thank you, Hui, and thank you to the thousands of attendees joining us this week. Thank you to more than 40 speakers. It is our honor to convene such distinguished voices from around the world. 2020 was unquestionably an extremely challenging year. However, it is inspiring to me how everyone in our industry joining together to rise to the historical occasion. Together, we tackled an unprecedented global pandemic without losing sight of our shared commitment to foster innovation and discover groundbreaking treatments for patients suffered from critical diseases and other health conditions. At WuXi AppTec, we saw just how agile we could be when needed, refocusing energy and resources to support those developing therapies and vaccines for COVID-19. We were proud to work with an alliance of industry partners around the world, each of us contributing our unique strengths. While our community was pushed to the limit, we collectively rose to the challenge. Throughout darkest months in the pursuit of vaccine and treatment for COVID, there was still a glimpse of hope that could be found in the discovery of new and emerging treatment. Our industry continues to progress on new drugs breakthroughs while securing the necessary regulatory approvals, including a record of 53 approvals by the US FDA. Today, we are beginning to see the fruits of our labor as approved treatment methods and vaccines become more accessible to patients around the world. I imagine our industry will one day reflect on this moment as the inflection point between the pre- and post-pandemic eras. Over the past 2 decades, our industry successfully achieved a global proof of concept. We have shown that by working together across borders and cultures, it is possible to accelerate the pace of advances in the health sciences. COVID-19 put this concept to the ultimate test, and we succeed by delivering solutions with unprecedented speed and effectiveness. Just think about what the next 2 decades will bring in as we build on the collaborations we have developed and the true global accomplishment we have all been part of. For WuXi AppTec, adapting to change and taking on new challenges have been vital to our 20 years in business. At the same time, we made constant and sustained commitment to our core values and our vision. Every drug can be made and every disease can be treated. We appreciate the opportunity WuXi AppTec has had to grow with our industry. We look forward to working with you in the years ahead to improve the lives of patients and the families around the world even more profoundly. Before we start today's program, on behalf of Dr. Ge Li, our Chairman and CEO, I want to take a moment to express our gratitude to WuXi AppTec's customers and partners. We're honored and proud of all we have accomplished for patients during 2020. We are energized by the tremendous possibilities that lie ahead. Over the next few days, you will hear from leaders in our industry who will share their insights and stories on how innovation and collaboration are driving benefits for patients. As you listen, I invite you to think about how you and your organization can contribute to rise to the challenge, shape the future of healthcare, and make a difference on behalf of patients globally. Thank you.